Basic English versus Advanced English. The teacher is nice. The teacher is kind. The teacher is generous. The teacher is rude. The teacher is impolite. The teacher is harsh. The student is good. The student is disciplined. The student is obedient. The student is bad. The student is naughty. The student is mischievous. The baby is crying. The baby is wailing. The baby is sobbing. The baby is sleeping. The baby is napping. The baby is dozing. The baby is laughing. The baby is giggling. The baby is chuckling. The car is fast. The car is rapid. The car is speedy. The car is slow. The car is sluggish. The car is slow moving. The bus is full. The bus is crowded. The bus is packed. Buy our ebook 21 Days English Vocabulary Course, link in the description. The bus is empty. The bus is vacant. The bus is unoccupied. Follow our Facebook page, The MS English, 14K followers. The train is late. The train is delayed. The train is on time. The train is punctual. The flight is cheap. The flight is economical. The flight is budget friendly. The flight is costly. The flight is expensive. The flight is overpriced. The hotel is good. The hotel is luxurious. The hotel is splendid. The hotel is bad. The hotel is terrible. The hotel is unpleasant. The weather is bad. The weather is awful. The weather is miserable. The tea is hot. The tea is steaming. The tea is piping hot. The milk is cold. The milk is chilled. The milk is icy. The bread is fresh. The bread is oven fresh. The bread is newly baked. The bread is stale. The bread is old. The bread is spoiled. I am hungry. I am famished. I am starving. I am thirsty. I am parched. I am dehydrated. I am happy. I am overjoyed. I am delighted. I am sad. I am heartbroken. I am devastated. I am tired. I am drained. I am exhausted. I am angry. I am furious. I am enraged. I am late. I am delayed. I am behind schedule. I am early. I am ahead of time. I am punctual. I like this. I find this appealing. I find this enjoyable. I don't like this. I find this unappealing. I find this distasteful. I am tired of waiting. I am weary of waiting. I am fed up. I am scared. I am terrified. I am petrified. I am excited. I am thrilled. I am exhilarating. I am worried. I am anxious. I am concerned. I am bored. I am uninterested. I am weary. I am surprised. I am astonished. I am amazed. I am confused. I am perplexed. I am bewildered. I am hungry. I am famished. I am ravenous. I am thirsty. I am parched. I am dehydrated. I am happy. I am overjoyed. I am ecstatic. I am sad. I am heartbroken. I am despondent. I am angry. I am furious. I am enraged. I am cold. I am freezing. I am chilled. I am hot. I am sweltering. I am scorching. I am healthy. I am in good health. I am robust. I am sick. I am unwell. I am ailing. I am strong. I am powerful. I am robust. I am weak. I am frail. I am feeble. I am busy. I am occupied. I am engaged. I am free. I am unoccupied. I am available. I am tired. I am exhausted. I am drained. I am happy to help. I am delighted to assist. I am pleased to help. I am sad to hear that. I am deeply saddened to hear that. I am distressed. I am ready. I am prepared. I am fully ready. I am not ready. I am unprepared. I am not ready yet. I am lost. I am disoriented. I am confused. I am confused. I am perplexed. I am bewildered. I am late for work. I am running behind schedule. I am delayed. I am on time. I am punctual. I am right on schedule. I am nervous. I am anxious. I am apprehensive. I am excited about the trip. I am thrilled. I am exhilarated about the trip. I am proud. I am extremely proud. I am delighted. I am embarrassed. I am humiliated. I am mortified. I am interested. I am fascinated. I am intrigued. I am tired of this work. I am weary. I am fed up with this work. I am satisfied. I am content. I am fulfilled. I am unhappy. I am discontent. I am displeased. I am confident. I am self-assured. I am certain. I am doubtful. I am skeptical. I am uncertain. I am lucky. I am fortunate. I am blessed. I am unlucky. I am unfortunate. I am ill-fated. I am tired of waiting. I am weary of waiting. I am fed up. I am scared of the dark. I am terrified of the dark. I am petrified. I am happy with my results. I am delighted with my results. I am extremely pleased. I am sad about the news. I am deeply saddened. I am distressed by the news. I am angry at him. I am furious. I am outraged with him. I am worried about the exam. I am anxious. I am concerned about the exam. I am proud of my achievements. I am extremely proud. I am gratified with my achievements. Like this video, comment, subscribe to the MS English for more powerful English lessons. We have two Facebook pages. One is the MS English. It has 14K followers right now. Another is English Skill Improvement. It has 266K followers right now. We have a YouTube channel. The name of the channel is the MS English. It has 166K subscribers. We have an ebook store. The name of the ebook store is Bookish. Search on Google pehib.com/bookish. You will get two books there. One is 21 days English vocabulary course. It's very useful for English learners. Second is 10 best ways to earn money online. So buy now and start your learning. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, comment.